Hey everyone, want to remove unwanted objects from videos in Runway ML? In this video, I'll show you how to use Runway ML's AI object removal tools step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Runway ML website. Sign in to your account and open your dashboard. Next, create a new project or open an existing one, then upload the video you want to edit. Now choose the object removal or erase AI tool, depending on the features available in your version of Runway ML. Select the object you want to remove by brushing or masking over it. Try to cover the entire object carefully for the most accurate results. Runway ML will analyze the surrounding frames and automatically fill the selected area using AI. Next, preview the edited video and check whether the removed object blends naturally with the background. If needed, adjust the selection and run the AI tool again to improve the final result. Once you're satisfied, review the complete video to make sure there are no visible artifacts or inconsistencies. Finally, export your edited video in your preferred resolution and save it to your device. And that's how to remove objects from videos in Runway ML. With AI-powered object removal, you can clean up distractions and create more professional-looking videos in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.